This video is for theme communication, unit you can help, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a screencast using Screencast-O-Matic.com. You can see that I've got the Google Chrome web browser open. I'm going to click inside the web address bar and type in www.screencast- which is a takeaway sign, the letter O, hyphen again, matic.com, and press enter. This website will allow me to create a screencast, which basically means to video anything that appears on my screen. To do that, I simply press the start recording button, and it's all free. The only thing you need to do is make sure that you have the Java plugin installed on the computer that you're using. If you're not sure what that is, you might want to ask your teacher just to make sure that the Java plugin is installed. You'll find out later on whether it is or not. So if I click the start recording button, you can see straight away that it checks for the Java plugin, and then if this dashed square appears, then the Java plugin is installed, and if it doesn't, then you need to install it. I'm just going to move this out of the way. This dashed line is very important because anything that appears inside this dashed line will be recorded. Anything that appears outside of the dashed line will not be recorded. I can actually move this dashed line around by moving my arrow into the middle here, so it turns into a crosshair, and then I can move the dashed square around the screen. I can resize the dashed square by clicking on these boxes at the edge, like that. I could also use this resolution button down here to set the size of the dashed line to a certain resolution, like that. And just to explain a few more of these buttons, the red circle, when I press that, it will start recording. The graph button here, what that does is it automatically sets your microphone to an appropriate level. This button, if you have a webcam installed on your computer, then you can actually capture what's on that webcam as well as part of your screencast, and the cross will finish and close this screencast. So remember, when you're creating your screencast, there's some key rules that we need to stick to. I'm just going to present these very quickly. I'm just going to close this for now. So if you just have a read through the rules, make sure that, for example, you speak clearly. Don't make the screencast last for more than 5 minutes because you'll just lose the interest of your users. And also stick to the other rules that are listed here. So once you've read those rules and you understand what you need to do, I'm just going to go back and press the start recording button to start my screencast again. What you then need to do is you need to make sure that you get inside this box what it is that you want to actually record. So I'm going to record a little screencast about how to create a table in Microsoft Word. So once you're ready to go, you simply need to press this red button. It will count down 3, 2, 1, and when it says go, you start introducing your screencast, and then you carry on with your instructions. So I'm just going to demonstrate how that's done. You can see it counts down. Welcome. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. So you can see that I spoke very clearly. I introduced what I was going to do from the offset. And then you can see that I also pressed this button here, which turned to a pause button. I can pause the screencast at any point, at any time. And then just to start the recording again, I simply press the red button again. It'll do another countdown and I can continue. What we're going to do in this video tutorial is take you through step by step how to insert a table and add text to the table. So again, you can see that I've paused it. If I make a mistake throughout this screencast, I need to press the restart button and start all over again. Once I've finished the screencast, I can press done. That will open up this window, and I strongly advise that you press the play button and listen and watch your screencast before you publish it. Welcome. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Microsoft. Okay, so make sure that you watch all of your screencasts to make sure it works. You then can upload it to YouTube if you have a YouTube account and entering all the information in here. Or you can download it as an MP4 file onto your computer by saving to video file, pressing this button here. Don't worry too much about the upload to SOM. That's not something that you'll need to worry about. You can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, but there's no need to do that. So you can either upload it to YouTube or save the video to your computer as an MP4 file.